Okay everyone, as promised, I just finished prepping some of the stuff for the week. I'll do the rundown quickly for you. I have here some boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I really love them, either for breakfast or a snack. Here I have cut up slices of lemon for my water. I drink a lot of water during the day, and I just throw in some slices to basically flavor it up a little bit. Here we have strawberries. I have about 2 packs of cut strawberries here. Here I have some grapes, washed and also packed up. These are some grape tomatoes to pop into my salads. Here I have some fish. I haven't finished prepping my meat, as I still have tomorrow to do that, but here I have some fish that I'm actually probably going to have tomorrow, even though the group does not start till Tuesday. Here I have some oranges for either a snack or to go with my breakfast or my lunch. I like to take in my fruit early during the day so I can burn off the sugar. Here I have some green beans. I have asparagus here. And here I have some mixed veggies like broccoli, onions, peppers, mushrooms. So that's what I have so far. I still have to make my brown rice and the rest of my meat, but here are some of the things that I've prepped to make tomorrow a little easier for me. And I'm really excited to kick off Tuesday. So I also have water already prepared in bottles in the fridge with slices of lemon already, so I can just pop one out tomorrow and just chug my water like this. This is my daughter drinking my water. Say hi, Cadence.
Hi.
So here we go. This is what I have so far. I hope this helps you. I'm a very simple, clean eater. I really stick to the basics most of the time. I do venture out and make some recipes. But for a regular week that is pretty hectic for me, here are some of the things that I do. So hope this helps. Please ask me any questions. Message me. You can comment on the video, and I'd be glad to help. So talk to you guys soon. Bye.